Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the look I created today, and thank you for watching. And everybody who is subscribed, thank you so much. The people who haven't subscribed, do it. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I post every day. And also thank you for subscribing, and stay tuned for the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a great day and a great week. Thank you so much. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Okay, so let's get started. First off, what I use today on my face after my moisturizer and skincare situation, I use this serum by Wet n Wild. I love it. It's been working with me so far. Everything good. And I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless normal to oily, what am I saying, oily skin, and my color is 220 on Natural Beige. That's the foundation I've been using, and I'm gonna use a combination of palettes. I got the e.l.f. palette here for a neutral look, and I do want to use the Huda Beauty Green Emerald Obsessions. I wanted to do a pop of green today since I feel like I haven't been using the green too much. So let's get started. Let's see how this comes out. So I already, like I said, did my face, and here we go. I prepped my lids with the Milani eyeshadow primer. I can't think right now. And I set my lids with some powder. So okay, here we go. Let's get going with this. I'm gonna start off with the e.l.f. palette. I like this e.l.f. palette. It's very versatile. You can use it for a lot of things, a lot of makeup looks. I'm gonna start off with this color right here, just because it's like a warm brown. Lots of fallout. I'm gonna put it right here. It'll be my transition color. Go upwards, close to my brow, not quite, but close. So I put the color on both my lids, this one and this one. There you go. And now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a darker shade. Let's do this one right here. Kind of scared, but anyways, I am using a fluffy brush. I don't know what brand it is. It might be a MAC, I'm not sure. I don't think so, but anyways, let's do that. We're gonna pop it in this corner and pull it out, and then swipe it inwards, upwards, in the corner of my eye, like that. Just a tad bit. Now I'm gonna get this brown right here. I used this one, so now I'm gonna get this one. It feels like it looks like it's darker, but we'll just work with it, okay? So I'm gonna place that one on the outer V, outside of my eye, and build it up and move it inwards and upwards. Sorry if you hear my AC, it's because it's hot and it's like 90 something, and yeah, it's my AC. And then Lily is watching her show cartoon thingy on the iPad right here next to me. So if you hear little baby sounds or something, it's her. It's right here. There we go. And now I'm gonna use an even fluffier brush like this one. This is the one I use right now, and I'm gonna use this one. This one, it's by MAC. It's really faded. Don't know which one it is. We're gonna place it. We're gonna just blend it all. Blend it all. I'm gonna get the lighter color in this palette and put it on the highest point of my eyebrow slash eyelid thing right there, like that. Now I'm gonna get a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna use that to put concealer. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind Eraser thing, and I'm gonna put it right here. And this is just because I want that color that I'm gonna use on my lid to pop more. And I'm just tapping it lightly. I'm not like smearing it on too much. I'm working with like the tip of it, like tip of the brush. I'll do the same thing for my other eye. I have to use the phone, my camera on my phone because I can't see. Okay, so now that I put the concealer on my lids, I'm gonna bring out the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions, and I'm really sad because right now when I took it out, look. Okay. This is so sad. But anyways, I'm gonna work with it and fix it later. But I think the color I'm gonna use right now is this one right here because it's the shimmeriest of them all. I'm so scared to use it. I'm gonna put it right there with my finger. Like this. And I'm gonna stop like about halfway, maybe a little more. Grab some more and use it on my other eye. Now I have the color on both my eyes like this. Okay. I know I look so weird without my brows, but anyways. Now I'm gonna use a brush. And the brush I'm gonna use is this little one. It's by Real Techniques. And it's a shading brush, this little one. And I'm gonna go in the little bit darker green, this one. It's very shimmery and it's dark. And I'm gonna place it out here and go inwards. See how I'm creating like a triangle look out here? Pull it out. Okay, so there it is. All the colors are blended. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna put mascara, I'm gonna put some lashes, and I'll be right back to complete this look. But so far, this is how it is. I feel like I might touch it up a little bit more. I feel maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I have on my lashes. Put on some mascara. The mascara I used today is the same one I've been sticking with. It's Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. And the lashes that I used today are from Kiss. They're called Shy. I think they're really cute. And there they are. So I'm gonna do a little bit of green down here. So the one I picked, it's still in the same like Huda Beauty palette. And I'm gonna put it right there. Like this. I just thought it was really cool to put that on the bottom part of my eye. It's like a real true green. I like this color. Almost like emerald green. This one right here, I hope you can see it, is this one. Like that. Okay, so now we're gonna do concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. be using this sponge by e.l.f. I also did it on the center of my face, like this and this and that, and this and that, and this and that. Lily's right there. I don't know if you guys can see her. Laura Mercier translucent powder for my under eyes, and I'm gonna put it right there. Oh my god, I gotta say, the concert was an amazing experience, and I want to thank Joe because he bought the tickets, and thanks to him I was able to see one of my favorite bands, and it was very memorable, and I'll never forget it. It was amazing. I cried, I screamed, I sang their songs. Oh my god, it was just amazing. Also, I would like to say, follow me on TikTok. I do a lot of skincare there, and I do a lot of get ready with me mini tutorials in the morning before I go to work, and it's so fun. I really like doing it. Okay, so now we're gonna get my cute little brush right here. It's all nice and clean. It's by Real Techniques, and it's my contour brush. And I'm gonna get this e.l.f. palette, the contour e.l.f. palette, and I'm gonna get these two colors and contour my face. Next time they're on tour, I'm going again because I love the way they put on a show. It's just so amazing. I really loved it. We're gonna do the top of my head, around my hairline, my nose, hairline. I put my hair up because who wants to have their hair down on a 90-something degree weather? Not me. And for blush, I'm gonna pull out this Makeup Revolution blush palette. Get my blush brush, and I'm gonna use this one right here. Actually, let's use this one. It's like a peach color, kind of. So far, this is how it looks. I hope you guys like it. Okay, check it out. Check it out real quick. I had to do a couple swatches because I didn't know which one would work. This one is a really nice color. It's called Cinnamon Spice. It's one of my favorite colors from Wet n Wild. Lily wanted to join us. Okay, then I was thinking of putting this one in the center of my lips. This one is by Milani, Lustful. I had a lip brush, but I don't know what happened to it. I have a feeling I know who messed with it. But let me try it with my finger. My finger's all clean, and I'm gonna put some on. Then use another finger. I don't know if you can really tell, a little bit. Let me use another finger to put some more. Like this. Kind of reminds me of fall. Now I'm gonna get this setting spray by NYX that I'm almost finished with. I do have more. And that is my finished look. I look very oily. Oh, you know why? Because I forgot to put powder, but it's okay. It's makeup, you can always go back. And that is my finished look. I hope you guys like it. Lily's over here wanting to play with my lipsticks and I'm not letting her, so she's mad. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and everybody who has subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Your comments, I appreciate them. And also don't forget to follow me on TikTok. I do a lot of skincare, a lot of makeup mini tutorials there, and I'm having so much fun doing them. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.